Hi, I'm Gene. I painted this toy box to look like a beach trolley, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I went from this to this. So let's get started. So first off, I did not build this. I think they must have built like 100 of these at the same time. They used probably some wet wood, and there's a lot of rough edges and everything. So I'm going to do some basic sanding, not too much, but I want to clean it up enough that a child doesn't hurt themselves just reaching into it. Primer for this. It's going to be a warm day, and even Shop Cat is taking it easy. Not too long ago, I had the opportunity to illustrate a coloring book for our local transit system here, Hampton Roads Transit. So when the Beachy Clean project reached out and wanted to know if we would do one of the oceanfront trolleys on that wood toy box, I jumped at the chance. I thought it sounded fun. So the idea for Beachy Clean is to distribute these toy boxes all up and down the oceanfront boardwalk and collect all the abandoned beach toys that are left in the sand, and then when other kids come down, if they want to play with them, they're welcome to play with them. I think it's a great idea. So to paint on this, I'm going to use some of this water-based acrylic paint, and I bought a pack of multiple colors, and even though they're water-based, once they dry, I'm going to come back and apply a clear coat on it that'll seal it in and will weather down there at the beach just fine. Okay, that'll work. Thank you, son. Okay, in order to kind of make this work, what I'm going to have to do is also work with the slats. Let's say I want to make these wheels are 7. Let's say 7.5. So now I can use this compass, and this thing works great. And if you're interested in making one of these, I'll put a link up on top for a video on how to make this. I'm going to start applying some color to this, and I'll start with the body of the trolley, which is blue, and I'm going to use what's called a flat. It's more of a flat edge, and just kind of start cutting in my color. Now, one thing to keep in mind is it doesn't have to be perfect, because you're going to come back with the black and sharpen everything up. So this, for now, you just want to get the color on there. Oh yeah, that's a good color there. I like it. managed to spell trolley wrong. Duh. If you don't have one of these vinyl cutters, odds are you probably have a friend that has one and can cut all this vinyl for you. If you want one, you might do what I did. I bought this one online used and I paid $50 for it, and it has been a fantastic little tool. And I'll put a link up above to a video I did on finding used gems like this. So my painting's pretty well done on this outdoor toy box. Now, if I was doing this for just an inside toy box, I would probably put a clear coat of something like this water-based Minwax clear on it. But because it's going outside, I'm going to use something like this. This is Rust-Oleum Spar Varnish. It's a marine varnish, and you can apply that on top of this water-based acrylic paint that has been used. So I'll start that now. Now this has a little bit of an amber color to it, but I think that's going to be fine, and I'll make sure it's all mixed up well. I'm going to use just a foam brush on this to see how that goes. Great thing with this too, I'm going to paint over my vinyl, and that's going to help seal that vinyl in as well. Okay, I'm going to let this sit, the clear varnish, sit up overnight so it can dry, and then I can move it and deliver it to the beach where it can get loaded up with abandoned beach toys for other kids to play with. Hey, this was a fun project. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below, and I look forward to talking with you. And in the meantime, I'll see you soon.